It's crazy how many things are going wrong. You probably have a flat tire. What the f is going on these days? We can finally wash the cars. Lift it up, lift it up. Holy f. Welcome back to another episode of our winter trip. We are here in Slovakia right now. Nico's car, my car, parked up beautifully. Lucas and Lewis's car are in the garage. If you're wondering, there's some other cars missing. Yes, indeed, because they have decided to leave to get another car to join. So this should be quite interesting. We do finally have a few snowy conditions, but a lot of the stuff has melted overnight. So the plan now is to get some nice shots in the snow, and then we are actually going to keep driving. So we're going to be driving towards Austria tonight, so we can go proper force and drift mode. So basically, it's more like a durability test for the E46s. Till now, we have driven 2,676 kilometers in these cars without any issues at all. But I'm very excited. Weather is good, mood is good. So for now, we're gonna get this guy down here somehow with his knee. Can't check out. Lucas is doing it, don't worry. Basically, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna jump in the cars, take a few cool pictures, make a few reels and all the good stuff. Then we're driving down towards the city, quickly gotta wash these cars up, because if you follow me, they are absolutely insanely filthy. Like, it's crazy, right?
You can't even see the number plate.
No, literally not at all. So yeah, let's jump in and let's go.
Yep.
Alright guys, now we are packing the car, which looks beautiful in here I have to say. And the spacers on the car make a huge difference. Stance is way better now. So we are going to pack all of this stuff in here, and then we will move out of this nice garage in a warm car and make some content.
You know what's just really disappointing? It's that we checked everything, literally every webcam, all that kind of stuff, and everywhere we looked it said snow. It was supposed to snow overnight here. It sadly didn't, so we don't have another option but to keep going. And we're gonna let everything warm up for a bit more and then get a few beautiful shots in, because that's what we want to do. And I'm so excited to properly use the Sonax products and get everything cleaned off, because driving a dirty car is fine, but after a couple of days it really annoys you. Car's doing absolutely fine, no check engine light, no nothing. I quickly want to give a huge shout out to all the sponsors who've made this possible, because there is a lot of trust involved. As with a trip just like this, stuff can go wrong, and as you see, stuff goes wrong because we are dependent on weather, and if the weather forecast is not right, it's a big issue. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And honestly, everyone who's on the car or who we talk about, just like these guys right there, like everything is quality. We wouldn't promote anything we wouldn't be using ourselves. Let's go guys, first one leaving. Look at that, look at that. Another day and another adventure.
So on we go guys.
Let us enjoy this beautiful scenery around here. Scouting for a good location. I don't know why, but like the snowy season is literally just my favorite season. No matter what. It is just so nice. Quick interruption in today's video, because I want to thank iClip. iClip being the main sponsor of this series. And this one has literally been a very chaotic one. Stay tuned for what's happening in this video. Sometimes in life you might also be in a situation where you might need a knife. iClip has a minimized tool right now, which is super cool. You can cut and all that kind of stuff. Very sharp knife, so be very careful with it. The cool thing is everything is integrated super smart. You need to press and hold here and then push it up, so it's easier to use. Oh, I pressed a bit too hard there, I'm sorry. But the other cool thing about iClip is you can also go very luxurious with a Titan iClip wallet, for example. There's over 100 different varieties for wallets. They have been the first ones for a smart or small wallet. And yeah, I really appreciate them. I really use it on a daily basis. So make sure to check them out. And now let's go back into the video. We made it to the first location and just look at it.
Jesus Christ.
It looks so nice. Oh, I'm sorry. But it does look really nice. Everything in here. Just look at these. Everything here is sadly very icy. There's a little water stream. Yeah. This should be good. We just had to leave because there was like, let's say, the guy from the forest coming and said we can't park there. It's crazy how many things are going wrong. It's literally insane. Like, you can't, like, make the sub. Messer. Jesus Christ.
Holy shit. Holy.
Das ist Airbag.
Yeah, that's airbag.
Da irgendwas weh? Nee, nix. Hier irgendwas? Da tut nichts weh. Wie gesagt, nur die Hand vorne, aber ist Prellung. Ah, das ist nichts gebrochen, nur geprellt.
Oh, die geht's UK in general. Okay, that's the most important thing. Jesus Christ. Okay, guys, that's not good. That really isn't good. The most important thing is that both of them are okay, which is a fact. But Mr. Lewis, are you okay?
I hope David is fine. That is fine, but
I'm fine.
Yeah, car isn't.
Okay, let's quickly analyze and have a think. Alrighty, let's check the spot of the incident. Alrighty, here you can see they almost went down here. So they came from there, bum, against it, span out. It's crazy. This barrier and this piece of stone saved you. Okay, guys, we're leaving now. God damn it. Today, literally, remember how I told you a few minutes ago, this trip is not going the way it is supposed to. Most important thing is that Lucas and Dave are fine. They are both fine. I'm surprised by how uplifting and positive Dave is. Really happy. The car drives. It's literally in front of me right now driving. Probably the last shots you're gonna see of the car. And now the plan is we got a tow truck company coming out here from Germany to pick up the car tonight. Mad. One of the first stops is quickly going to be washing the cars because they're absolutely filthy. Good thing is we need to wash one car less, I assume.
So hey guys, this took an unplanned end of the trip for this car. It's the last time driving it for now. Then it will be trailered back to the cave because like this the door isn't closing properly. We just can't drive back to Germany like this because at the border they will say nope. It drives fine, but yeah, better be safe, trailer it back, check the damage and bring it back to life.
Okay, you know what? It's crazy. Literally, it's starting to rain down here now, meaning up there it's snowing. Ah, very crazy. This is mad. Obviously, we are open, very open. We kind of need to speak to Lewis on like why, because it's happening very often. How wrong can a trip go? Alrighty guys, we made it to a petrol station. We couldn't find a wash, so we'll do that later. How is your mood?
Good.
Yeah? Good?
Good.
Yeah, mine is good too actually, it's not bad. But now we can see everything a bit better. Down here it actually looks worse than up there. Jesus. That, my friends, is what you call luck. Damn. But where's Dave? Where's Dave? Oh, there he is. Ah, okay. I thought someone forgot you. I was like, wait, where is he? How are you feeling? You have a bit of a headache, my friend?
Yeah,
That's not good.
that's not good. I already took some medicine and drank some water, but I'm not feeling so good.
Probably the height difference maybe as well.
I don't know, maybe, yeah.
Could be. Okay, so we are stupid. We're looking for a wash. There's literally one right across the street which we didn't see. Let's quickly drive over and get the cars done. Lucas is preparing his car, getting those white wheels back to white. Shout out to Zonax. The Felgenbeast will literally save his life, not gonna lie. Look at this dude. Just look at him getting all the dirt off. Just the number plate difference is already crazy. Alrighty guys. Oh god. I think I just broke something. Nope, all good. It's quite loud here, but we can finally wash the cars, which gets me super exciting. Obviously only using Sonax products. And these rims, if this thing, this right here, cleans that, or that in the front, then you know this is some good stuff and you need it. So we're gonna put it on right onto this one, but we're gonna follow cinematically, okay, Lewis? Okay. 3, 2, 1, cinematics. I did not move my finger for this. It's completely clean. That is absolutely insane. Car is looking fresh again. Huge shout out to Sonax for that. Same over here. Starting to look fresh again. Both of the beasts. Obviously one missing right now. But these two are cleaner than clean. That one is the opposite. Nico is still cleaning. Lewis is saying goodbye to his car. My car is clean. Oh god, this popped out again. Back in. And you probably have a flat tire. Jesus Christ, what the f is going on these days? Like literally every single day something has gone horribly wrong. I mean today this guy topped it completely. Lucas probably has a flat tire. Yeah, so yes.
But we have 4 tires there.
But I don't think he wants to drive on them, knowing Lucas. Let's quickly, we're gonna go to the tire shop and see if they have anything. Dave is coming, moving my car. You need to unlock it with the key. It's very old school, because I want to see I haven't seen my car move once, so I want to see it move. Oh, Nico is ready. Oh, these are so sexy. God damn it. Okay, my car looks good though. Sexy thing. Let's get Lucas in. Let's inform Nico. You know what just happened? He probably has a flat tire. Yeah. So we're now checking in there. Yes. Everything is going wrong. I have no idea, but I will go in and film him. Thanks, Dave. Lift it up, lift it up. Let's check it out. Sonax. And you wouldn't be able to pay without iClip. Best wallet in the game. Let's see.
Oh shit.
You know what Lucas is gonna do to you for that. Mechanic Lucas. Okay, next stop, things are being optimized. Passenger seat from Lewis going into Nico's E46. Sure, we can. I don't mind. I mean, both of us need videos at the end of the day. Whoever wants to, I don't mind.
No, wait.
Wait, who gets it?
The loser. What was that?
I'm looking at the screen, I can't see anything.
Well, I lost 3.
Extra weight for you. Ooh, throw that thing in. But to be honest, I'm a bit jealous because you can put stuff on it.
Yeah, sure. Stuff.
Why are you running? Oh look, that's broken. Mate, your car's broken.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it's because you just kicked it.
Ah, that could be, yeah.
It was slightly scratch on it.
Do you want to look? That's how you can fix it.
Just one more time?
Yeah?
maybe one more time.
I think here though, right?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, that is even worse.
I think you just disconnected the door here a bit because the spalt is bigger. So now we have more to tape. Thank you, Dave.
It's new.
Okay. Jesus, this thing is so effed. Didn't you want to kick it to fix it? Yeah, that's better.
My ABS is now not working anymore.
Oh God, that's a huge issue then.
Sorry.
I can't turn off my traction control.
I mean, maybe you shouldn't. We know where this goes. Don't get the broken car more broken, please.
Handbrake was turned on.
Ah. Alrighty, his car's taped up, so it's time for him to move it and park it, and then we leave it. That's how it's gonna go. Oh God, guys, I'm absolutely frozen now. It is so cold. One good thing is that Lucas, his tire is not broken. It's not leaking air. It was just an assumption, basically. And goodbye to Lewis's E46. I hope nothing happens to the car. But we gotta make the best out of it, and we're still gonna go to Austria. Sadly, the entire day is basically gone now. It's 4 o'clock. So we have a lot of driving to do. By a lot, I mean 9.5 hours. Nico's also feeling pretty bad. He's sick, has a headache. Hoping he will take a nap now. Lucas's car. Dave and Lewis are driving Nico's E46. Okay, Nico just sent the location of the car. I'm gonna show it to you for the last time. There she is, and that's all she wrote. Sadly. Goodbye to E46 number 3, actually number 2. Goodbye to it. The boys are just unpacking and bringing stuff over now. Man, I don't even know what to say. I'm a bit annoyed now. It's just sad. And we are off. Huge shout out to the guy from the tire shop because he said he will look after the E46 until it's being picked up, which is very, very kind, and I don't take that kind of stuff for granted. So I really appreciate that a lot. Next stop is going to be fuel. After we got fuel, we will be heading into Austria. Alrighty guys, we are off to Vienna now. Got fuel. Shout out to iClip. I need to get my mood back up now. It's all great. It's all fun and games. Nothing happened. Everything is good. Car is clean. Everything is nice, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. I got an update for you guys. So plans have changed yet again. We're driving back to Cave. That's what's happening now because Nico is also feeling very sick, headache and stuff. Doesn't make sense for us to stop in Austria for another night. I want to make sure that the boys are fine and good. So that is why we have now decided to just straight gun it home and get everyone to sleep, get everyone to rest, make sure to get the cars ready on the road again, and then quite shortly we'll be heading out another time into some proper snow with the E46s. Sorry that it went this way, but it's just reality, and if you force things, they don't end well, which we've learned again today. I think sometimes you just need to realize when it's the right time to say, let's go home. Okie dokie, we made it to the Sprinter, which is great news, which will pick up the beautiful E46. Quick pit stop at McDonald's now. And we are off home stretch. Okay, shout out to Dave. He's on the way now to basically go back. We're not even talking about that. All 3 cars should be back together tomorrow, which is great. So for now, I'm just gonna drive a bit and catch up with you guys later. Guess what? We made it back to the cave, which is amazing. Oh, but I'm gonna catch up with you guys tomorrow. Now it's time to go sleep, and we'll talk right in the morning.